Hey guys, I just got a package in the mail, so I actually don't really know what it is. I'm waiting on too many things in the mail, so I have it here. So I'm just gonna get to opening it. And my hair's sticking up. Yeah, so I'm not sure what it is. I'm hoping it's latex. I'm waiting on so much. Another package. It says Cathouse clothing. It's my jacket. It was supposed to come on Tuesday. Oh man. Wait, it's like super low. Keep getting it like out of frame. Yes, it's my jacket. Oh. Oh. Ooh.
You should wear that to your mom's.
Ooh. New latex jacket. Oh. So heavy. Wow. That's
Go
awesome.
get it shiny.
I have to wash it.
Go get it shiny.
Ooh. Eee.
So I guess you're wearing that to your mom's, eh?
Yeah. I'm gonna like wear this at my mom's this weekend. Cool. I'm gonna unzip it so I can show the inside. This is so cool.
Just don't tear it.
No. It's really like dusty because obviously it needs to be washed, but wow. It's my new jacket. This is awesome. So I'm totally gonna get pictures this weekend. Now I'm super excited. I wish it was Friday. Instead of Thursday. Yeah. It's a little faded right now because all everything needs to be washed. But wow. Thank you, Cathouse clothing. It's so beautiful. Wow. But yeah, so this is so cool. Oh, I love it. But yeah, so I will see you guys later in another unboxing video. I'm still waiting for like a whole bunch of stuff, and you can follow me on my Instagram and my Twitter. It's all Fire and Aurora, or Facebook. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and I look forward to taking pictures and videoing this, and I can't wait. So see you later.